everybody. Today we are gonna make a family drawing. Sorry this isn't about nature, but hey, humans are nature. So if you want to make a picture like this, then you've got this video. So first, let's get started. Please like and subscribe. You don't have to though. So first, if you want to do the child first, let's do little sketches, not too hard. And then do it on the other side. Make it look like a plus sign. Then you slowly, gently make the face. No pointy chin. Try not to, but if you do, you can try again. Then, if you don't like it, try and erase this and then make it how you want it to be, like this, if you like it like this. So, this is too long maybe, so let's put it a little shorter. Now, let's make the eye. So, this is a boy, you do it like this. And the same thing with the other. Then you make a shorter line right here, like that. Now you erase these lines now that the eyes are lined up. And then you draw the nose right here. One sec. Then you want to draw a happy face. Like that. And then you can fill in that happy face. Then you can make the eyeballs. Like that. And like that. Then you add the pupil, which is an eye, and then the shininess. You just add it like a half circle, like that. Then you want to add the eyebrows, which is like a kind of squiggly eye that goes up. And you want to shorten this down a bit, because it's like that. Then you gently do soft lines for the hair. You can just make a couple lines right now and then fill it off like this. Now you can make it the longest you can right here once you're done with that. It's fine if you go over all the lines, because you will fix that later. And then after it looks like his hair is up, we're going to make a slanted, let's make a slanted erase. And erase that. But it might be a little bad, so you can redo that like I just did. But you can just make the shape, kind of. Let's see. Like this. And then do the rest of the tiny lines like that. And then if you want to do the body hair, you just do two tiny lines like this. And then you make another line, another two lines. And then you stop there, and then you curve the other right there, because it can't be just the little boy that long, but to make a shirt, just make a line right there, and then put a little line right there. Then you're gonna add 2 more lines right here, and 1 more line in the middle to make his legs. Then if you want to make his arms, you go here, like that. You make his fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can add sleeves if you want. I'm gonna put it on mine. And we're gonna put it here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that. And another sleeve for this child. Now, if you want to put a dog, it's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is erase part of his hair to where you can put the dog paws. So then you don't have to do this gently. You put this right here, the arms, and then you put it like this, and head and ear with another ear. Put it, curve it back again, and connect it. There, now you have your dog on top of the boy. Now let's make the eyes. Put a circle and put another circle for the other eye. Let me fix that real quick. And add a circle, 1 circle facing this way and 1 circle facing this way. And then put this right here and put this right here. And then color, not the white spots, the circles that I just put the other spots, the ones that don't look like circles. Now, to make the nose, you put a nose like this, kind of like an oval. You put another dot right here and color in the nose, but not this little circle. And then you make a line and you make a curve like this, make a curve like that, and to make the tongue, you just do a little U. There, now we've got the dog and the boy. Now it's time to make the mom, the dad, and the sister, and the baby sister. So first, now let's start with the mom. The mom, first, all you have to do is make her eyes. So all you have to do is do this, make a curve, long curve, not too long, and add 2 lines at the end of it. Do that for the same one. And now you make the same shape for the bottom. Now let's add the eyes. Add the same thing like the little boy's eyes. Okay. And now let's add the eyebrows. Same thing as the boy's nose, draw a tiny nose. Then let's do the smiley face too. And color it in. Like that. Now time to make the head. You have to make a line like this, curve it, and then curve it again to make it top. Looks like a cute little marshmallow. Now, well, hold on, I missed something. Add these little blush things to make the kid more happy. There. Okay, now let's add the neck. but the body's gonna be different, so don't copy it. Don't go forward. So let's add these 3 lines again. So to make the body, you have to just go down like this and then curve. Then let's make a dress. You just go down and curve the more you get closer. Hold on. And then you close it off here, and then we put 2 lines, and then 1 line to make her legs. Let's add the clothes right here, and now let's make her hair. Her hair is, you can make it as long as you want, but I'm gonna make her hair long. So, let's make the baby sister. Oh, hold on. Okay, so the arm can go here, like this. And then erase this part so it can be like it's overlapping. And close it right here and make the baby. Make it as whatever you want, but I'm gonna make it in this little towel or blanket. Then let's just draw baby happy, or you can make it sleepy. So let's draw the other arm. They're gonna do the same thing, but just different part, like in a different spot, because you can't be carrying a baby in the same spot, can you? And then just connect it here. And then if you have any more space, you close it, follow the line you just erased, but not the whole thing, so it can be like it's overlapping. Good, now you made the mom and the baby sister. Let's make the father. So, the father has no eyelashes right now. So, right here, just draw big curvy lines. And then you draw another one. Then you make an oval. No eyelashes. And then you make the pupil. Draw the tiny lines. Draw the nose. And draw the little smirk on him. Then you make his face. Then you curve it like he's a marshmallow. Then you make his hair. Whoa, hold on. Let's make his neck. And then let's make his hair. Okay, let's make the shoulder. Curve it. Curve it. Let's put it down. And then you make a line. Then you put the legs, 2 lines again, and then another one in the middle. Let's now make his clothes. Then let's make his hands too. Arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a sleeve, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, why this spot was empty is because of the sister. Okay, then add the eyebrows first. Okay, now let's draw the sister. Make some space. 1, 2, 2 eyelashes, another curve, 1, 2. Then do the eyes. Then do the eye, pupil, little tiny circles. Nose, mouth. Well, let's make her smiling now. Okay. Put her head like a marshmallow. Close it. Then now, since she's a little girl, we're gonna make her just like the brother. So curve the shoulders. And let's make her a dress too. And then put one here, well, I meant one line here, and then another line here, and another line in the middle. Make her clothes. Let's make her hair. She's another long hair too. And then, now we draw her arms. So I have to overlap again, so that means you have to erase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sleeve. Okay, overlap. Well, not over. Don't erase the dad's hand. If it's in the way, just cut over it and then just put it down his finger like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Then sleeve. So now we have our beautiful family. So let's call this family of 5. So this is a family of 5. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked my tutorial. Bye. Have a nice day.